Welcome back to the fabulous 95, and today we are going to be taking a look at the new 2021 Ducky Fauntkeroy. Patty O'Donnell. I like the second name better, but as you can see, this is one of the cars from Doc's Racing Days. One of the original cars ever to race, which I like these cars a lot better than you'd think. New 2021 metal, because somebody, I'm guessing, didn't realize they were metal. On the back, you got Fillmore, the pace car, this man himself, Murray Clutchenberg, Johnny Cruz, Aiden, and then a helicopter. Well, let's get this guy unboxed. So, let's get into the review of this guy. And one thing that I immediately noticed when I unboxed him is they put dirt decals, like, on the wheels. I don't think you can see this, but they, like, really took all ideas for this. And one thing that's also kind of funny is the Danico logo is on here. And it's number 42, so Cal wasn't the first 42 to run Danico. The Cheerio Tools sponsor. Safety horns. Okay, that's like that was the nice part about the old days, of stock car racing in general. They really didn't have like big sponsors. No. Whatever they like went around and like asked, and they would get like the craziest sponsors, but they always looked cool, and the paint jobs were always nice. Like I like the older paint jobs, but some newer ones strike me really well. Also, the whole Xing out over the headlights was because they didn't really use their headlights, because they took them out because they were unneeded weight. The color scheme is really nice, and I'm glad they're starting to release more of these cars because these are really nice. I think this guy would have been a convertible if he was an actual car, but anyway, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel if you have not already. We are, well, technically I am, in the last few days before Bristol Dirt. And if you guys aren't NASCAR fans, I highly recommend you watch this race, because first time NASCAR Cup cars will be on dirt in 50 years, and I actually get to go to the track. So, I'll see you guys next time.